Introducing Helix by Piper Networks. Helix is a maintenance-of-way safety solutions platform that combines multiple sensors to fulfill a variety of MOW functional requirements and allows for fleets of rail-bound and high-rail equipment to be detected and tracked on the railroad. It reduces the potential for employee injury, equipment damage, and operational disruptions resulting from accidents or major rule violations. Piper's Helix system addresses several challenges that transit agencies and freight railroads face today, including limits compliance, collision avoidance, obstacle detection, and collision detection. Let's look closely at how Helix meets these functional requirements to ensure safe operation of maintenance-of-way equipment. Limits compliance functionality relies on Piper's GPS RTK technology to position MOW vehicles in the territory with centimeter-level accuracy. This accuracy is critical for determining the track the vehicle is operating on and calculating the distance to the ends of the work zone. To accomplish this, Piper deploys redundant, broad-coverage GPS RTK base stations along the right-of-way. Piper recently deployed a comprehensive database of the entire Northeast Corridor track geometry and required only 32 base stations. In addition to determining precise track and location, this network provides fine resolution for the proximity of vehicles to various points of interest, including interlockings, platforms, grade crossings, and signals. Piper also accounts for multiple modes of MOW vehicles, continually monitoring their safe operation. To help operators perform better in the field, Piper delivers operation rules and limits from the dispatch system directly to an operator display in the cab. This display provides the operator with their work limit details and alerts the operator when the vehicle is approaching or has exceeded the limits. Collision avoidance. The onboard GPS RTK devices are complemented with Piper's ultra-wideband radio sensors located on the vehicles. These radios communicate highly accurate peer-to-peer positioning data relative to nearby MOW vehicles to prevent collisions and damage. Operators are again able to view this proximity information through the in-cab display alerts that follow the rules for safe separation of vehicles in both work and travel modes. Piper uses this same ultra-wideband technology to deliver vital train positioning in challenging environments where GPS is not reliable, like underground tunnels or elevated tracks in congested urban settings. The solution became the world's first SIL 4 safety-certified UWB system for train positioning. Object and worker detection. Operators are also alerted to the presence of workers that inadvertently cross the track fouling area, as well as objects that may be left in the path of the vehicles. Piper's track sight is highly accurate at detecting even relatively small objects that can cause substantial damage to the vehicles. Of course, railroads are complex networks with many installations of fixed equipment along the wayside. In order to reduce alert fatigue, Piper uses advanced algorithms that create virtual tunnels. Using the database created from the virtual tunnels, Piper distinguishes between objects that are breaching the fouling area or creating a hazard from necessary and existing wayside infrastructure such as signal heads or gantries. Because it's critical that supervisors be notified in the event of a collision, Piper has also installed onboard IMU devices that provide valuable operational telemetry data for analyses and assessment, and can alert operators instantly to any collision that may occur. Piper has also installed HD cameras that deliver live outward and inward video from each Helix-equipped MOW vehicle to the foreman in real time, and stores this data for forensic review following hazardous events. In addition to providing this vast array of operational information to MOW vehicle operators, Piper also consolidates information for foremen and employees in charge, who are assigned multiple vehicles from the work gang. Foreman tablets provide interfaces to monitor vehicle locations and onboard telemetry in real time. Piper is committed to helping you meet your safety goals. Contact us today to learn more about Piper Helix, along with our other reliably innovative transit solutions.